on these calculator questions, a lot of them can be done, or on the multiple choice questions, a lot of them can be done with the calculator. I'm going to find the inverse. You can do it that way, okay? And actually on this one, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch x and y. So I have x equals 1/2 y minus 4. Then I get x plus 4 equals 1/2 y. And then I have to multiply both sides by 2. So when I multiply, I get 2x plus 4 equals y. Now I'm going to look over my answers, and it's right here. So this answer will be B. With this one, which function has an inverse that is not a function? Okay, so in this case, we're talking about it failing the horizontal line test. And we'll use our calculator for each one of these. So if I type in 2x cubed plus 3, then I'm going to look at my graph. Okay, and when I look at this, if I draw a horizontal line, it only touches it one time. If I draw a horizontal line, it only touches it one time. Okay, so this one passes it. This inverse will be a function. If I have x squared minus 1, and I look at the graph, okay, if I do this, it touches it twice, okay? So this one fails the horizontal line test. So, which one is not a function? This one, because it fails the vertical line test. Let's do this one. The square root of x plus 5. When I graph this and draw a horizontal line, okay, it only touches it one time. And you'll see the same thing for this one. That vertical line will only touch it one time. Which of the following points would lie on the inverse of the graph shown? Okay, so which one would be on the inverse? So, here's f of x. I have, let's just start with these points. I have these points, okay? -2, -4. -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, -1, and 2, -4. Then I have the inverse, f -1 of x. Okay, this would be -4, -2, because we're switching x and y. -1, -1, 0, 0, -1, 1, and this would be -4 and 2. Okay, and when I get to this, I need to find 1, 1. It's not on this list. 2, 4. It's not on this list. -4, 2. It is on this list, and that one's not. So the answer is -4, 2. You just find the points and then switch them. This is the inverse, and you have to answer the question. And the graphs of f of x and the inverse are reflected across the lines, the line y equals x. That would be my answer, and that's from your notes. Okay?